This is Collin Krueger with Sprint 7 of the Centipede project. So I've gotten a lot of work done, and the game is really starting to come together. So firstly, I'm going to keep the volume at 4% so you can actually hear my voice over the recording. So I'll show you what I have this week. So first things first, you'll notice that I've implemented sound. So on the attractor mode, which is not done, and this is on the to-do list, but was never meant to be done this week anyway. It is muted, and then if we go into single player mode, there is sound, there's the spider. You'll also note that when the spider dies, it has a death animation. I've implemented all of those animations as well. I'll go over those as well. But yeah, so I have that done. I'll show another demo near the end, but I'll show you how I did the sound mode. So if we take a look at our sound manager, all the sounds are set within the sound manager here. And there are sound modes. Now the sound modes, if we go over to sound systems and look at sound mode, it just has a single play function with a sound as an input. And it has two subclasses. It has mute, which it does nothing in, and then active, where it will play the sound. This allows us to switch between muted mode and active mode. You can do that yourself by hitting the M key as well. Additionally, I've implemented animations, like I mentioned earlier. This animation manager works similar to the sound manager. Yeah, so I can request a regeneration and a death animation, and it's really easy to add more animations to this code. Additionally, I've implemented multiplayer into this as well, and I have a game mode system. So currently there is 1-player mode, 2-player mode, and attractor mode. But the base class has two functions, update and swap players. Swap players is only applicable in the 2-player mode, which I'll show you here. These are some housekeeping things that need to happen when you swap players. But if we look inside the 1-player mode of this would be in game flow, game modes, 1 player. There's nothing to be seen in this swap players function. Additionally, the player text is now tied to the game mode in the sense that it's the one responsible for updating it, because in 1-player mode, you only need this bit of text here, but in 2-player mode, you need text both here and here. So I'll show you now, since we're already at this demo, and I'm going to mute that, that when 1 player is active, that player's 1 score goes up. When they die, it swaps the mushroom field to player 2's, and it starts updating the score for player 2. So that's what I have with regard to that. A few minor things with regard to the bullets. I realized I hadn't been factoring those, so I quickly fixed that up. I rewrote the whole system. It works much more efficiently now. Bullets are object pooled, they're cleaned up properly, and yeah. Additionally, with a small fix to the code here, there are no memory leaks, and I'll just show you again. Wrong one, single player mode. So I'll create an animation there, I'll create a death animation here, and when I exit out of the code, there are no memory leaks. So that's what I have for Sprint 7, and thank you for watching.